Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you all the required tools for the network engineer or network professional or any IT professional that they need on-site job or any project that can be tasks done. So I'm gonna show you all the required tools that need on site. So first of all, you need a network analyzer tools. This is the network analyzer tools. I have a plenty bunch of tools, so I'm going to show you one by one. So first of all, I have to show you like network analyzer tools that comes in a pretty nice box. So in network analyzer tools, we have like this is the cable cutter, and this is the like peel up tools. It can peel all the outside the plastic of the cable, and there are two screwdriver. We have two screwdriver, and we have a punch down cables. This is the RJ45. We can make sorters, and I'm gonna show you in the next video how to like make the Ethernet cable sorter by putting in the middle, by cutting it, in the middle way, these things. And if I have a long cables like this, is in the server rack, it will be it will be pretty or like ugly. We need to manage the cable very perfectly, so we need to, like, if it's too long, we can just cut in the middle, and we can insert this in here perfectly, and we have to and punch down with the cables to tie it off on the break in the correct line. There are 8 different lines, 8 different, we need to arrange perfectly each and others. So otherwise, if there is like disorder, it doesn't work. We have to put perfectly in orders. Like I'm gonna show you in next videos how to like make the cable Ethernet cable sorters by putting those RJ45 covers with these tools. And after that, we have a network analyzer tools. This is a cable tester tool. Yeah, I have a this is cable tester tools. And after this, we can test the cables, it works or not. Let's see how to work this one. And it has a battery, it has a battery inside. This is the energizer battery, 9 volt. It's a rechargeable battery as well. Let's see how to, and we have to insert the one cable in the other end. This is the RJ45, and other end, and the other end to the next end. This is actually the one part, it can be detachable. This is actually one part, this can be detachable from here. So let's see the another end. Let's see. Yeah, perfectly. Let's see. Nice. Let's see. Let's do the on. Let's see the cable is works or not. Let's see. It working perfectly in parallel. There are 8 different lines, and there is gigabit. G symbolize gigabit, and the 1 to 8 symbolize the different wire. There's 8 different wire inside this cable. So that's perfectly aligned each other. They're perfectly going up and down in a parallel way. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 G. 1 2 3 7 5 2 G. 1. Yeah, perfectly. Now this cable works. If it is faulty, the cable is faulty, it doesn't go up and down parallelly. It goes like here it should be on. There should be disorder up and down. If there is the disorder, the light is up and down, it indicates the cable is faulty. So after this, you need a measuring tape. You need it like 5 meters. I recommend minimum tape measure 5 meters at the locks. It's very pretty cool. And this very need to measure the distance and measure the length, how much cables and how long cable we need. It gives a pretty much good idea. And this is the like RJ45 cover, so you can insert the wire inside and we can just punch down with that tools. And you need a Cisco console cable. This is the Cisco console cable, and DV9 in one end and the other end is RJ45. I have 2 of those. And nowadays most of the device, they don't have a DV9 port nowadays, and some of them, and you need like converter. Like I have a USB-C serial cable. This is RJ45 in one end, and the other end is USB-A. So USB is universal serial bus, so it can be found any devices, all the devices almost. So you need this USB serial cables in case, and you need those like Ethernet cable. I have 5 meter, 1 meter, yeah, it depends how long distance you need. So I have 5 or 6 Ethernet or patch cables, Ethernet cables. And you need one Windows laptops. I recommend Windows laptops with a Ethernet port and HDMI port. And if you can find it with a like a DV9 port, it will be better. And that USB port, I recommend you with the Windows laptops. Is very good for network engineer. So and you can have with one mobile, with the mobile data, enough data. Sometimes we have to troubleshooting without the network internet service. Sometimes it goes up when you're going to troubleshooting with the routers, the switch. You need the external Wi-Fi network. For that you need enough mobile data, or you can have a pocket Wi-Fi, which can be found in e-commerce website nowadays. I recommend with the Vodafone if you are in Australia. And I have a Vodafone pocket Wi-Fi with the 60 gigabit per month. It's very useful to me as well. And you need like fiber optic cables, and this fiber optic cables, it has a two-way bidirectional, and it has a 2 modules. So these modules, SFP modules, goes inside the router switch, and then you can insert this here, so this way. And you need a protective glass, and sometimes it's very sunny, or sometimes you need like protect with your eyes. And you need a screwdriver set. This is a screwdriver set. So on the end I have a screwdriver set, and this is the long cables, and this goes inside as well. And you can go inside. This is different shape, and other end I have 115 different types of shapes and sizes screwdriver. There are 115 different round, triangular, star, all those. Look at this. Yeah, you need this one. It's very useful tools. And this is a screwdriver set. So it is very important, and it's very impact. It's very nice as well. Yeah. So you need sometimes you need a cable cover. cable cover is very important to make the tidy of the cables, or you need cable ties with a long fiber. I don't have it here today, but I finished them. And you need a cable tie to tie up the cables in the panels or in a rack or any other like if you like up and down in the upper floor and down floor, you need a cable ties to tie up perfectly. So sometimes it's not necessary, but it's sometimes you need a ADSL and BDSL to line inline splitter or filter from this adapter, and you need a VGA male to male cable. Sometimes not always, but sometimes you need the VGA male to VGA male cables for this. So yeah, I'll just briefly summarize about this. You need a Windows laptops or mobile data or pocket Wi-Fi. You need the Ethernet cables. You need the fiber optic cables with the 2 SMP modules. You need the console cable, Cisco console cable. We need a USB serial converter, and you need the screwdriver sets, and you need the network analyzer tools with all the like to cut or extend or make the correct length of the cables in the network analyzer tool and network testing tools, and network like you need the measuring tape as well. Yeah, all those pretty things. Yeah, you need more. I have a plenty of tools here as well. I have a so yeah, all those you need in on site. If you taking any project on site project in the networking field, you need those all tools, there's no doubt. So yeah, be familiar with those tools. Okay, thank you everyone.